Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi there, it's Sam here from Marshall Mercedes Truck and Van once again. Today we're going to have a quick walk around our Mercedes Sprinter with a chiller body on it. Stay tuned. Here we have our Mercedes Sprinter L2 with a chiller body on it. Just have a quick walk around. Got steel wheels. Got your side marker lights here. This one is your front wheel drive. So it's a front wheel drive vehicle. This one's fitted with a tail lift and barn doors. Review camera up there. It's unregistered, brand new. Number plates here are only for advertisement purposes only. Let's have a look at the tail lift. Here you got your tail lift down. You've got stock blocks built in right here. Just to stop anything from rolling off. Got them on both sides. You got your tail lift controls just down here as well. Okay, let's put it further down and have a look inside. With your doors open, you've got your side rails, which fits into the tail lift. And your emergency unlock button there. On the inside, you've got your tie-down rails on the sides. You also have your LED lighting ×2. You've got the other controls for you to control the tail lift from inside. Your unit for your fridge. Very well built. This particular body was actually made by Cool Kit. There. Non-slip floor in here as well. This is what it should look like with the side rails, the protective rails in. And you've got door supports on the side to stop the doors from closing on their own. Right here. You've got them on both sides. And you've also now got LED lighting in the back as well. Right, let's just have a look in the cab. Right, in the cab here, you've got automatic lights, a standard, electric windows, it's 6-speed manual. You've got DAB radio and MirrorLink, so you got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got something here that tells you the height of the vehicle and what you can carry. And you've also got your fridge controls. Here's your isolation switch for your tail lift. You've got a review camera, which is right here. And you've also got your overhead panel with a bit of overhead storage here and here. This particular one only has 2 seats on the front, drivers and passengers. This one has only done 670 miles. You also have cruise control, speed limiter, and all your volume buttons and everything here as well. Now we've seen the inside, as I said, steel wheels, as you can see right here. unpainted front bumper, so it'll be nice and robust against scratches, etc. Right, this was our quick walk round our Sprinter with the cool kit chiller body on the back. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact any one of the team here at Marshall Mercedes Truck and Van, and someone will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.